how to reset or change your Grubhub password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset or change your Grubhub password. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Grubhub app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now here in this section, you can see the option labeled as password. So simply tap on it. And now here inside the password section, you can see two text field. One is current password and next is new password. So here to change your password, you simply have to enter your current password first. And here, once you're done entering your current password, just tap on the new password and simply type in your new password. And here, once you're done with that, you can just tap on save, and after that your password will be reset. And that's it. That's how you can reset or change your Grubhub password. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.